Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. We're taking on another viewer request, which this time comes to us from the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. If you enjoy a good cocktail and boozy entertainment, they will not disappoint. Paul has requested those red pork barbecue ribs that are ubiquitous appetizers in Chinese restaurants. Otherwise known as Char Siu or Char Siu, that's what we're putting together. So let's get started. These ribs get marinated overnight, so we need to start with the marinade first. This is an Asian barbecue, so we're starting with hoisin. We are using a teaspoon of red food coloring to give these ribs their characteristic red color. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to, but you're not going to have the same color. We'll need 2 racks of baby back ribs. Now you can cut off this membrane or you can leave it intact, it doesn't matter. But we will be cutting these into individual ribs. Or if you don't want to use ribs, you can use 4 pounds of pork loin. We'll be cutting these into 1-inch pieces and then those will be cut in half. Or you can do what I'm doing, which is 1 rack of ribs and 2 pounds of pork loin. We're marinating these in a plastic bag because if you use the red food coloring, it can stain your bowl. These need to go in the refrigerator overnight. We'll turn them over in the morning. I have my oven preheated to 225 degrees. The ribs will cook for 3 hours. The pork loin cooks for 1.5 hours. We're cooking all this meat on a rack on top of a pan with water in it, which I'm using to keep the pan drippings from smoking. If you like your ribs sticky, you can glaze them with a mixture of honey, cider vinegar, salt, and pepper. These ribs look so amazing and the aroma is unbelievable. They're nice and sticky, and I'm probably not going to be able to say anything, but I know they're good because we did test this recipe. Let's give these a taste. Oh, still so nice and hot. Oh my God, so tender. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.